Hey guys, Ethan's Ups Covers and more back today with a brand new baseball card opening video. Today I have a 2017 Topps Fire Baseball Hobby Box. The only Fire I've done this year is a few retail packs that I got from Target. That was the first time I seen these and I liked them. They look really good in person, so I bought me a hobby box. You get 2 hits in here, 1 autograph guaranteed. There's 20 packs, so we'll get going through this. Stay tuned for the next video. I got a triple thread. This is my first boxes in a while. Haven't been able to get anything, but got these done today, so hope you all enjoy these 2 videos here. Looking forward to seeing what we get. Topps Fire. You guys let me know if you pulled anything big out of Fire. I really like just the look of them, the base. So we'll see what we get here. With first pack, Bryce Harper on the front. It's a cool looking product. First year they've made these. David Dahl rookie. I won't show every card, but the main stuff. Jackie Robinson. First auto. Ooh, I thought that was an autograph, but that's a nice card. Cody Bellinger, numbered out of 99 purple. That's awesome. Good start. Wish that was an auto. I thought it was. It's turned backwards. I'm not sure all the parallels and stuff. If you guys see something, let me know. Looking for some nice Red Sox. Here's a nice, I ain't got this one. David Ortiz base. That's nice. Clayton Kershaw fired up insert. Chris Davis, Justin Upton. So you guys let me know how you like the look of them. I've heard some mixed reviews on them. Gary Carter foil nickname. Verlander, Billy Hamilton, nice Bryce Harper. I think they're a pretty fun product. Got a lot of color on them. Andrew McCutchen, George Brett. Maikel Franco, pink, number 19 out of 25. I think that's pink. Nice low numbered one there. Number out of 25. DeGrom. Let me see what the odds are on that. Purple is 1 in 28. I don't know what parallel that is. Mark McGuire, Jim Edmonds, Nelson Cruz, Matt Ellsbury, Paul Konerko, Justin Upton, and the first hit is a Stephen Piscotty jersey, numbered 2 out of 75, green. So looking for an autograph now. Relics are pretty cool. I've never seen one in person. A lot of shine to it. Next pack. Tyler Austin rookie. Here's a Christian Yelich green, numbered out of 199. Corey Seager, Giolito. Beltray, Addison Russell, Carlos Martinez, Chris Archer, nice one on the back. Aaron Sanchez, Gurriel rookie. Here's back-to-back World Series champs. Bregman. Carson Fulmer, numbered out 299. A lot of number stuff. Cody Bellinger rookie, nice. I seem to pull Judge a lot more than Bellinger. I haven't got a lot of Bellinger stuff. Josh Donaldson, cool one there. And here's the World Series MVP, George Springer. What an awesome World Series. That giveaway too I was doing, I'll get that up soon. I was waiting until the World Series ended. Almost forgot about it. Moncada rookie, Cole Lou Gehrig. Ramil Tapia rookie. This is not numbered. Some kind of parallel. Tanaka, Jose Bautista. Andrew Miller. Nice George Springer Golden Grabs. Nice one there. A few more packs to go. Looking for one more hit. Tony Perez, Omar Vizquel, Chris Davis. Another one that's not numbered. Alex Reyes rookie, Hank Aaron, Bo Jackson. Nice. Jose Altuve. He did awesome in the postseason. Bogarts, Lindor. Steve Carlton, Clemente, Kyle Hendricks, Zach Britton, Betances, John Lester. Ernie Banks, Max Scherzer, insert. Didi Gregorius. Let's see, 4 packs to go. Ron Sandberg, Randy Johnson, Kevin Kiermaier, Golden Grabs. Nice JBJ. I'd like to try and probably get the base set of these. I think it'd be a cool one to do. Willie McCovey, Harmon Killebrew, Rob Zastrinsky, and the auto Luke Weaver, numbered out of 500. So not the best hits, but still cool cards. We'll do a quick recap after these 2 packs. Nice Aaron Judge rookie. Carl Yastrzemski, Scherzer, Kluber, Cano, Babe Ruth, and the last insert here, John Carlos Stanton, number out of 299. So quick recap. Here's all the numbered and hits. Stanton out of 299. Judge rookie. Luke Weaver auto at number out of 500. Bellinger rookie. Carson Fulmer out of 299. Yelich out of 199. Piscotty jersey out of 75. Michael Franco out of 25. And a nice Bellinger purple out of 99. So stay tuned and I'll be back with the triple threads. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.